Good morning, dear students. I am Kallol Biswas, Assistant Teacher English, Paura Secondary School. Dear student, I welcome you to my online class. This class is made mainly for the students who read in class 9 and 10. But I think that it is also necessary for all kinds of students who are interested in learning English. However, today I have appeared before you with connector. In the meantime, I have done 3 lessons on connectors. Today it is my 4th video on connector. You know that I also know connector is something difficult for the student, so I have made some videos on this topic so that students gets benefits from my videos and they can learn this topic very well. Now there are some connectors on the blackboard where firstly, secondly, that, which, and. I know Bangla is not allowed in English class, but for your benefit I have given Bangla meaning, but it is against the law of English class. So now this is the okay. Now look at this passage. There are 5 gaps in this passage. Number A, B, C, D, E. 5 gaps. I have given 6 connectors. 1 is excess and you have to use 5 connectors out of 6 and use 1 connector in each gap. Now let us read out the passage for your better understanding. The news dash many may you have pleasure is dash our school in Bangladesh are going to open soon. There are some evidences in favor of it. Dash schools of India are opening from today. Dash in some talk show. News dash may give you pleasure. যে সংবাদটি তোমাদের আনন্দ দিতে পারে is dash. এটা এই যে our schools in Bangladesh are going to open soon. আমাদের বাংলাদেশের স্কুলগুলো খুব তাড়াতাড়ি খুলতে যাচ্ছে. There are some evidences in favor of it. এর পক্ষে স্কুল যে খুলতে যাচ্ছে এর পক্ষে অনেক আলামত আছে. Dash schools of India are opening from today. এর প্রধান কারণ হচ্ছে যে বাংলাদেশের ইন্ডিয়ার স্কুলগুলো আজকের থেকে খুলছে. ইন সাম টক শো, তাছাড়া কিছু টক শোতে দেখা যাচ্ছে এডুকেশনিস্ট শিক্ষাবিদরা শিক্ষা বিশেষজ্ঞরা হ্যাভ গিভেন দেয়ার ভিউজ তাদের মতামত দিয়েছেন যে দে হ্যাভ অ্যাডভাইস টু ওপেন দি স্কুলস স্কুলগুলো খুলে দেওয়ার জন্যই তারা বলছেন. বিশেষ করে পাড়াগার যে স্কুলগুলো আছে গ্রামের সেখানে করোনার প্রভাব কম, সেখানে স্কুলগুলো খোলা রাখার জন্য তারা জোর দিয়েছে. যাই হোক, সেটা আমাদের বিষয় না, বিষয় হচ্ছে গ্যাপ. তোমরা আবার চেষ্টা করো, আমি কিছু সময় নিচ্ছি, এই সময়ের মধ্যে তোমরা চেষ্টা করো. যদি না পারো আমি উত্তর লিখে দেবো, এই উত্তরের মাঝে তোমরা তোমাদের উত্তর মিলিয়ে নিবে. সো I am giving you some times to do this exercise. By this time, if you cannot solve the problem, I will answer the questions and you will match with your answer with my answers. Thank you. Okay, dear student, now match with your answer the news which may give you pleasure is that. Here which is a relative pronoun, news antecedent, so which is appropriate here. Pleasure is a connector. That connector our school in Bangladesh are opening soon. There are some evidence in favor of it. Firstly, F-I-R-S-T-L-Y. Firstly, the schools of India are opening from today. Secondly, দ্বিতীয়ত, in some talk shows educationists have given their views where যেখানে where they have advised to open the schools. These are my answers. I think you could have done it well. Thank you so much for your eagerness to learn English. If you like this video, like it and share with your friends. If you have any problem, you can comment on my video. Thank you so much. Stay good. Pray for me. I shall come again with another video in another time. Till then, I wish you all out success in everyday life. Thank you so much.